In this video, I will show you how to fix X timeline not loading or refreshing. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, you want to swipe down and here select the option of Wi-Fi. Now tap your connected network, then tap on the gear icon to open settings. Here tap on forget this network. Now restart your router, then you want to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and then check. Next thing you want to do is update the app. For that, head over to Google Play Store or App Store. Now search X. Now tap on the update option if that is available. Go ahead and open X and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to tap and hold on the X icon. Then tap on the app info icon. From here, you want to tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Now head back, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open the app and check if your problem is fixed. Now, you also want to check the server status. For that, open up any web browser, then search X status. Now, open the first website, usually it is Down Detector, and you want to check if there is any server outages. If there is, you want to wait for a couple of hours. Once they fix the issue, you will be able to refresh on the X app. If nothing else works, you want to reinstall the app. For that, go ahead and uninstall the X app. Once it has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store and then reinstall the application. Now, your X timeline should load and refresh properly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.